Are you dreaming of owning your own real estate, whether it be an investment property or a personal home? Well, you're not alone. Real estate can be a great investment opportunity, but in today's world, who can truly own real estate? Let's talk. Welcome to Real Estate Talk. My name is Zach. I'm here because I wanted to talk to you all about something super important, and that's the current state of the real estate market here in 2023. It kind of seems like what's going around, the word on the street is that no one can buy real estate right now unless you're super wealthy. So is that true? What changed? What happened all of a sudden to make real estate seem so far out of reach for everyone? Well, I am here to tell you that that is not true. That is not the case. You can buy real estate. See, in the past, only the wealthy have had the means to be able to invest or even buy real estate, right? You had to have a lot of cash. You had to have all this money. You had to know a banker, all this kind of stuff. But times have definitely changed. Today, anyone can get their foot in the real estate door and in this market regardless of who they are and what they know. All it takes is a little bit of know-how, and that's exactly what you're going to get today. Let's start with investing in real estate. See, investing in real estate doesn't have to be limited to a wealthy few or the top 1% of America. It could be for everyone who wants to learn and wants passive income. There's a lot of new platforms, investment opportunities that have emerged over the past several years, allowing people of all different backgrounds to invest in real estate. There are so many creative ways to finance a property, whether that's a personal home or an investment home. Today, you got things like crowdfunding platforms, real estate investment trusts, online marketplaces. There's a whole bunch of things like hard money loans. There's all kinds of things, especially if you're an investor looking to invest. These options are fractional ownership sometimes, which is perfect, which means you don't need a lot of money to invest. It's kind of like the stock market, right? You can buy a share into $1 billion company for $80, $100. You don't own the whole thing, but it's an easy way for you to invest your money. Now, when it comes to your personal home and trying to buy a house for your residential use, you don't have to be a millionaire anymore to buy into a property. All you need is to understand your options and the knowledge of how to go through the process the right way. Let's talk about a few things and a couple of tips that'll help you. So first, there are various loan programs out there that have government assistance, government-backed loans, FHA, rural development. There's all kinds of things. Right now, I don't know if y'all heard of it, but Rocket Mortgage was offering like 1% down. I mean, there's all kinds of creative ways for you to get financing to purchase your first house. There's even a lot of programs out there for first-time home buyers. Sometimes they offer lower interest rates. Sometimes they offer a lot of money off in closing costs. So don't be afraid and don't let financial constraints hold you back. Second thing, let's talk about that down payment. I know it can be challenging. You're thinking $5, $6, $10, $15,000 that you got to save up. But it's not impossible. All you have to do is cut back on certain unnecessary expenses and create a budget. That'll help you tremendously when trying to plan for your future. With careful planning, with discipline, you definitely can become a homeowner. Look at someone like me. I don't have a college education. I don't have some super high degree, but yet and still, I was able to buy a house. How? Because I learned. I learned from my mentor. I learned from other people of how to creatively finance a property. I learned how to work in the system that has been created. So that's all you have to do is learn. Learn what your options are and you can buy a house. Let's not forget about this huge surge in creative financing that has happened over the last several years when it comes to maybe leasing to own, renting to own. There's all kinds of options like that. Just talk to your landlord. You never know. They may be wanting to sell in the future. With all that being said, there is a word of caution. You want to make sure that you understand fully that real estate, especially in the investment side, is a risk. But if you educate yourself, you seek professional advice, you carefully evaluate the properties that you're looking at, evaluate the risks and the returns and the profit. If you do all of that, you will definitely be setting yourself up for more success than failure. One thing to always remember is that the real estate market, like any kind of investment, it can fluctuate. Prices can go up, they can also go down. So just plan with that in mind. Whether you're a young professional or a couple looking to start a family or someone starting over, there's a path for you through the real estate market. Remember, real estate is not for a select few anymore. With that being said, The question still remains, can anyone buy real estate today? Yes, and that means you. With the right knowledge, the right tools, the right investments, the opportunities are available to a wider audience than ever before. Take control of your financial future today and don't hesitate. Real estate is the most powerful investment tool in the world. If you're a first-time home buyer and you need some tips on how to buy your very first home, click right here. If you happen to be an investor and you need some more tips on how to invest in the right property, or you're looking to up your game, click right here.